Hello guys, we are on the computer screen. In this video, we looked at how to create an Gmail account. So we come on our browser, then we click on add, then we click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, if you have previous email address, you can enter here. Otherwise, click on create account. Here you enter your first name. I enter Summer. Okay, here second name. Okay, here we enter full name Summer Hyatt. 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 Okay, then we enter our password. We can select these uh, recommended Gmail IDs also. If you want, you can select. I think I select this ID, so I click on it. Then I click password, enter password. Confirm password. PF. Okay, then we move on next. Here we enter our mobile number. Then we move on next. We enter verification code, which number then I enter verification code. Which is, this message will come on your mobile number which you have right before. We then verify. Here you enter your date of birth. We enter date of birth, day, 5, month. Okay, year. You can choose with your gender. We select gender, male. Okay, then we move on next. Yes, I am. Then I agree. Yes, I am in. Then you select your color of your Chrome. I select this. Done. This is your new website, new browser interface. Now you can use YouTube, Blogger, etc. which you need. That's all.